Welcome back, guys. Now this is just going to be a quick video showing something else that we do. What we've got here is the end of train rear flashing light there. First of all, neat little kit. Had a lot of reviews on it. A lot of people like it. Simple, easy to use. Takes power from the track up onto the wheels, up onto the copper contacts, then up onto the circuit. The circuit itself is for DC and DCC running, so you can run it on either, it doesn't really matter. It's got a built-in bridge rectifier. We also do a version with a stay alive, which is this version here. So if I actually show you, we do a normal version with no stay alive function, so as soon as it's powered the light cuts out, or you get the stay alive function, which is this one here, which is if I lift it off, see, it stays on for some time. Great if you've got dodgy parts on your track, but a lot of people like it. The little surface mount LED comes with it. It's on small enamelled wire, so it's easy to use. If I just show you up inside the loco, you can see we've taken part of it away just to show you. That big area in there is, you've got the circuit board down the side and you've got the stay alive capacitor there. So obviously does take up some room, but for running on track it's ideal. If I actually show you the size of the kit itself, here it is here. So you get the small enamelled wire with the LED on it, and that's the size of the circuit there. So they really are quite small circuits. They work for N gauge and work for 00. So both for both scales and other scales. As you can see, your two track contacts go there and there, and your LED contacts go there and there. Then that's it. Simple to fit, easy to fit. It's just finding enough space for this. This one's without the stay alive. So as you can see, it really is sort of quite small, compact, and can run off track voltage. But yeah, these are all on our website. We thought we'd do a little review on it. There's a lot of people been asking about them and bits like that. But yeah, that's it running. Obviously on here, we've just drilled a small hole for the wires and then fitted that. But even as an LED, these probably look quite realistic for the size and scale of them. But yeah, like I said, they're on our website. They're only about £2, £2-3. The stay alive one's slightly more expensive, but nothing too expensive. But yeah, really does improve a rake, especially if you want that extra attention to detail. And then again, really easy to use, really simple to fit. So yeah, hopefully we might pop over to the website and buy a couple. But yeah, anyway guys, I said it was going to be a short one, but yeah, anyway, thanks a lot and speak to you next time.